video in-upload ko sa YouTube. Pinapaviral ko para maraming mag-viral. Para mapaviral ko.
Ano? Akala ko ba? Ayun. Dali, sama ka kay Chucky. Sama ka kay, dali.
Hindi, nagkumawanan ako doon kanina eh.
May picture ka na dyan?
Yep. So you know what those white plastics are? They are for the things that, so the mice would not get up in there. Oh wait, let's take a look at more. See here. So let's take a look at the Toyota 2000. Toyota Hilux. Wait, so this is the Toyota 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser. So let's get started up. Let it run. Rear parking sensors. Wheel drive sensor.
Ma'am, ano pinakamalapit na simbahan?
We also have here.
Yung sa order sa labasan. Opo, sa may ibang malapit sa school. Opo.
Alright, so let's take a look at the wares. Sir.
Sabi ni Auditor Becca, siya sa pinakamaganda simbahan na rin.
A big canteen over here. A nice van vehicle, 4-wheel drive. See here. Planting. In a white sand right over here. If you're wearing shirts. So I hope you enjoyed this video of mine in Tierra Blanca Hotel in here right in Quezon. Alright, so thanks for watching and goodbye.